but do what we striking, man. Pull over, show y'all what we striking. Strike. Whoever this is, man, you'll never see it again. You'll never see it again, no cap. Let's hop back in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? We anonymous right now. We just got us a nice little, you feel me? Little cute, you know what I'm saying? Little striker motherfucker. If you see this and this your car, my fault, you feel me? Just, it is what it is, but we finna cut up down around these beat. The road window down. We finna cut up around these beat. Gonna give me a little down shit. We in eco right now. If 12 get behind me, I'm not stopping. I stamp it. I stamp it. We just gonna blow through the lights, man. No cap. Look at the city. The city got a beautiful view over there. Beautiful view. Beautiful. I think there's a scat pack up there. I'm pretty sure he don't want this shit. He don't want it. Matter of fact, let go. Oh, that's snow. We gonna go sport plug. Feel me? Let's get it under the tunnel. Fuck it. We don't stop at no red lights. Damn. We don't stop at no red lights. But I guess we'll stop. We ain't on a chase, so I guess we'll stop acting normal, you feel me? We in the striker. You know what I'm saying? And I'm touching this bit with my hand right now because we finna burn it. We gonna burn it junk down, you know what I'm saying? We gonna burn it up when we finish with it anyway. Woo! This bit ain't hooking. But I got traction on though, so. Let's get up next to this scat. This scatty patty. What this is? Scat motherfucker. Scat motherfucker. He looking at me. OG right there. OG triple. Let me quit, bro. I'm cutting up like. There go them folk. Ooh, put the camera down. There go them folk. There go the folks. We get back to y'all and get past these folk. Alright, so we back, man. We had to put the camera down until we get past them folk, bro. We want to be unnoticeable if possible, like, you feel me? So, we go that way, so we gotta go this way. Gotta go this way. Y'all see the Batman building right there. Feel me? Throw that bit in manual. Traction on. Let's turn traction on too. Turn a little traction on. I wish I had the exhaust so I could come through the bit. Bah, 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 bah. But I guess dude ain't got a chance to mod this joint yet before I took it. You feel me? Shit. Hey, little motherfucker snappy, man. Y'all sleep on the cues. Y'all sleep on them cues. We downtown. Ain't no exhaust. This joint is super quiet. Super quiet. But it cool though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this junk, man. Y'all want to see a different kind of strike, or y'all want to see me continue to strike the queue? Let me know, should I burn this junk or keep it? Y'all let me know. ain't nowhere to go. Hey, it's lit down here. Before turn around, I hear them turbo pull up. These folks out drunk on a Wednesday. They be jumping on a Wednesday. Get a red going. Downtown jumping like this on a Wednesday? No way. Downtown jumping like this on a Wednesday. One day I'm gonna come down here, folk. Everybody gonna be like, I know you from YouTube. I know you from YouTube. Just watch what I tell y'all, for one day. I think I'm gonna call this POV drive. Downtown POV drive in a striker. Downtown POV drive in a striker. We in the red sport, by the way. A 2024 red sport, by the way. Know you guys how I'm wondering how I got my hands on this bad boy. Bet y'all wanna know how I got my hands on this bad boy. Back in manual. And this is all a green screen too, by the way. It's all fake. Kids out. All the green screen, by the way. All the green screen. Let me know down below in the comments y'all want more POV drives in this striker. I can go get another Q50. They everywhere. It ain't nothing to find these junk. You hear? It ain't nothing to find these junk. They everywhere. They looking back. Y'all hear them. Y'all see them folks. What's the audio right there? That boy nice. We might have to grab his shit, Nick. Might have to grab his shit, Nick. Chat. You know in the comments down below. This thing clean. Oh, there go 12. There go 12. Them boys down there. Them folk down there. Them folk down there. Them folk down there. Y'all see them boys? We gonna ride past them like everything normal. We gonna try to anyway. Man, it's a nice view, man. Look at the view, bro. It's a nice little view, man. Nice little view downtown. I'm glad to have this, you know what I'm saying, luxurious Nissan. You feel me? Now, glad to be down here in this luxurious Nissan. See what I'm saying? Samsung. What are they doing? They're blocking traffic. We're just gonna go this way. Samsung Bridgestone Arena. Look at the scenery, bro. Kinda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you. This boy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Screw me, guys. Screw me. folks on the bus lit. Look at the sunroof back. Look at the folks. On a Wednesday. This a big ass building right here. You got them folks on the back. She drunk as hell on that bitch. We still got the Audi behind us. Alright, now he keep following me. She gonna be a striker. Bus is coming through. Ooh, this big ass sideways. This big ass sideways. I don't know if y'all seen him, but dude gave me a thumbs up. We on the bridge. Bro, this is a sight to see. Let me get y'all out of here. Bro, this is a sight to see, bro. This shit pretty, bro. This shit motivation. These niggas way up there, twin. One day I'm gonna start striking. One day I'm gonna stop striking. I'm gonna be at the beat. Shut up. I ain't gonna hit nothing. Nah, for real. I need to be staying like up there somewhere. No cap. Right there. God, let's get next to him. Let's get some pops, man. Let's get some. Hey! Yo! I rev it up for me. I'm shooting the video, I rev it up. Appreciate that, my guy. That boy got that thing popping, no cap. That boy got that thing. Hey, that bitch sound good. I think it was an M2. Oh, that's police right there. Oh, I wanna yield. Alright, now we done went downtown.